Sinsev, it's Mr. Gillespie MacGerrigish. I'm Gillespie Ferguson, your Scottish Gaelic speech coach. And can't believe it, it's another beautiful evening. Shefiskeral in your hound, the show. Shefiskeral in your hound. It's a beautiful evening. And I thought I'd give you that phrase as an example of how things flow in Gaelic, and a nice contrast between short and long vowels. Fisker, evening, afternoon. Ali, with a long vowel. And all of this flowing together into in this phrase using she. Shefiskeral in your hound. Notice how arling and a hound blend together. There's no stop, not Sheffisker arling a hound, but Sheffisker arling your hound. And again, arling is with A-I-N-N, not an N sound. It's not Allen, but arling. Sheffisker arling your hound. One of you in the comments mentioned the broad R sound, the R. Can you roll an R? Can you make a contact with the R? R. Shefiskeral in your hound. If not, it's something we'll need to work on. Might be something for a long form video, but something that everybody needs to engage to be able to speak Gaelic clearly. Not the English R sound, the R, like hair. Doesn't work. Fisker. Fiskerali. Shefiskeral in your hound. For more tips on how to engage with Gaelic sounds and how to get a more authentic expression, subscribe to my channel.